Hello, welcome back to Easy Wonders. By using this code, I am going to explain about recursion. Actually, this is a Python code, and also here I am using turtle graphics. I will show you how this procedure is working with turtle graphics, and simply I will explain about recursion. First I am executing the code, then we can see how this code is working. Okay, Python how recursion works.py, enter. Actually the code is working like this. Okay, now I'm going to explain the procedure. Okay, first line, import turtle as t. We are importing turtle as t. By importing like that, in the coming lines we are using t instead of turtle. These are basic things, and from 7th line onwards it comes recursion. Okay, t dot speed 1, turtle speed we set as 1, that is we found it the speed of turtle moving. Okay, and pen size 5, that is the thickness of this line. Then t dot left 90, actually that is used for turning turtle direction upward, that is in initial position turtle directs in this direction, in this right direction, but we need to put that in perpendicular direction, 90 degree upward. So we are turning left to 90 degree. Then t dot color blue, the color of this turtle is blue. That's all. That's simple Python code actually. Mainly I am explaining about recursion. What is recursion? This recursion is using in all programming languages. This is a very useful method using in programming. In C programming, Java or any language we can use recursion. Here I am explaining it very simply to understand what is recursion, what is happening in a recursive procedure or a recursive function. Okay, actually in a recursive function, inside a function it calls the same function. That is, here we can see, here we defined a function draw. In the 8th line you can see define draw in brackets L. This is the function. From 9 to 18, this is the code inside this function. Okay, in this code itself we can see in 14th line and 16th line we are calling the same function draw L by 2, draw L by 2. In these two lines we are calling the same draw function inside this main draw function. Okay, that is actually by that this recursive procedure happens. That is, while calling this function we can see in the 19th line draw 100. Actually from there we are calling this function to start working this function. We are calling from 19th line draw 100. At that time it goes to this function and draw 100, that is L takes value 100, and then if L less than 40 it is checking for this condition. that is L less than 40, 100 less than 40, 100 is not less than 40, so it goes to else part and it start doing here T dot forward L. Here it is 100, so T dot forward 100. In this picture we can see it start from this location and moves 100 units up to here. Okay, it reached here. You can follow me by explaining these things. Okay, then T dot left 30, it turns left 30 degree, that is in this direction, actually initially in this perpendicular direction, and it turns left 30 degree, and the turtle stand in this position itself. Okay, then inside that it is calling draw L by 2. It is calling the same function with L value by 2, that is initial L value was 100, here L value becomes L by 2, that is 50. It is calling draw 50. Okay, then by calling the function, this goes to the 8th line again with a value 50. Okay, I think you understood the thing, with a value 50. Then again it checks for this condition, that is 50 less than 40. No, 50 is not less than 40. So again it moves to else part and T dot forward 50. L here takes value 50. So T dot forward 50, that is this is 50 units forward and reaches here, right? Then again draw L by 2. Sorry, after forwarding 50 units, T dot left 30, again it turn left in this direction 30 units. Direction changes 30 degree left in this direction. Turtle is in this position itself and turn 30 degree left, and again draw L by 2. It is again calling the same function with L by 2. In this time L value was 50, then L by 2 means 50 by 2, that is 25. The function again call with a value 25, then again goes to the same function here and check for this condition, that is 25, whether 25 less than 40 or not. In that time we can see 25 is less than 40, so it will return. It will not go to this else part. Instead of that it return, that is returning to the called location, that is from here in the we called the function from the 14th line with the value L by 2, that is 50 by 2, 25. So it returned back to this 14th line. Then it jumped to the 15th line, T dot right 60. Since the condition okay, then returns, and after that goes to the next line, T dot right 60, that is here turtle was standing in 30 degree left direction, then it turned 60 degree right, that is 30 plus 30, 60 degree in this direction. It directs to in this direction, stands there. Okay, then again draw L by 2. It again calling the same function below this line, that is in the 16th line, again calling L by 2, that is 50 by 2, that is again calling with the value 25. In that case also again it go to this 8th line and check for the condition, that is, and in this time also it is 25 less than 40, condition okay, then again return back to the this 16th line. So after that t dot left 30, returning back to here itself, and t dot left 30. Actually 60 degree right in this direction, turtle was in this direction. Then by shifting 30 degree left, it becomes in this same direction, right? Did you understand? Okay, in this direction, in this position itself. Then we can see t dot backward L. We are backwarding L units. L value is 50, so it is backwarding 50 units to here. That is, turtle reaches back to here. Then what happens? The function completes. Then it returns back to the earlier called position. That is, in earlier time, with a value 100 by 2, 50. Actually the draw function called with the value 100, L value 100. Okay. Then after returning to this 14th line, it goes to t dot right 60. From in this position, t dot right 60 degree right, turns right. That is, it stands in this direction, and then it calls draw L by 2. That is 100 by 2, 50. Draw 100 by 2. Again calling the same function, and goes to here. At that time the value is 50. 50 is not less than 40, so goes to the else part, and t dot forward L. That is t dot forward 50. That is, we can see it goes to 50 units in this forward direction. After reaching there, it repeats the same thing what happened from this position. That is, turn left and try to forward in this direction, but it is less than by having that 25 units, it is less than 40, so it returns, and again try to forward in this direction, but 25 is less than 40, so it will not forward in this direction, and then it turns left 30 degree and stand in this correct direction, and backward L units. That is, backward 50 units and reaches here. After reaching there, it turns left 30 degree. That is, again its direction become in this perpendicular direction, and then t dot backward L. Total 100 units backward and reaches back to the initial position. Like that it happens. Actually calling from the same function, and it rotates with calling the same function, and by giving a condition. Here we can see in the 9th line we are given a condition, L less than 40 or not, otherwise it will go to an infinite loop. So we are giving a condition. Here it is L less than 40, so while becoming L value less than 40, the procedure return back and continues. So that is how it is happening. I think the code is almost clear for you, and if you have any doubt, you can comment below this video. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.